This is the start of the video. I've made it to Atlanta and Bella is here with me, and tomorrow we're gonna be going to the Porsche Experience Center. But before we can actually get here, we have to get here. So if you wanna see all of the fun travel stuff getting here, here it is. If you wanna skip, feel free to skip on the timeline here. Just got off the shuttle and now we're headed into the airport. So we just made it through security and now we're gonna sit in the airport for about, what, the next 2 hours now? Just putting our shoes on, just waiting for her. We're gonna grab a bite to eat and then head on over to our gate and get on out of here and get to Atlanta.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
She thinks she can beat me. She's on the escalator, I'm not. I got you that time. Next one up. I'll even wait for you. No, I didn't. You have a moving object. That's not fair. If you just fast walk, you could literally beat me. Oh shit, here she comes.
Wheel to wheel towards Vale now. Who's going to be last on the brakes? Leclerc has that inside line. Perez goes off the track. Cuts the chicane. Off goes Leclerc. Through goes Hamilton. Unbelievable stuff.
Bella's not gonna like me on the flight because I have to edit my video that's on Saturday. So she got a coloring book. Let me see this thing. Where is this thing? She literally got this to keep herself busy. Have a good flight. Thanks, you too. Yeah. As I was editing the video of this 944, I quickly realized something. I don't have a dash cam. As much as I care for the 944, I realized I don't have any protection in case of an accident. So that is where Red Tiger comes into play. Red Tiger has sent me their new F77 dash cam, the world's first 4K plus 4K dash cam. What does 4K plus 4K mean? It means you not only can see what's in front of you, but what's behind you as well, and all in the same 4K quality. Just look at how clear the image is when I zoom into this car in front of me. Even at nighttime, it's extremely clear. In comparison to my old dash cam, you can see just how much clearer this 4K actually is. And the nighttime is so much better. Thanks to its night vision HDR, it features its dual Starvis night vision sensors, which allow you to see just as clear at night as you can in the daytime. So this is my old dash cam at night, and this is the new one for comparison. And my favorite part of this entire thing is that I no longer need an SD card, thanks to the dash cam having a built-in storage capacity with either 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes. And it connects to your phone, making it so much easier to get footage off, and all the footage will be protected from getting damaged. The dash cam is super easy to install. I did it in about 10 minutes. They give you all of the wiring and stuff to do it. You just need to tie off the fuses, attach the ground wire, find a place to attach the dash cam, and then run the wire to the dash cam. Now, you can do this in other routes like the cigarette lighter, but I went for the more permanent route. I chose this location right behind the mirror so it's nice and hidden, but still accessible. I'm so excited to have this dash cam, although I've never been in an accident. In case I ever am, I will have the most clear proof I possibly can. If you'd like to get your own F77 dash cam from Red Tiger, please go check out the links in my description box below. All of the links below do directly help out the channel, and you can receive up to $90 off. So thank you to Red Tiger for sponsoring this portion of the video. Hey babe, you hear me? Pretty sure the Avengers fought here too. When we were in New York, literally all I was making was a bunch of Avengers like jokes and stuff, like, oh, there's Stark Tower, like this is where the attack on New York happened. Made it to our shuttle. I'm pretty sure we just got kidnapped.
I'm in danger.
So there's the Porsche Experience Center, and then there's the other hotel that we could have stayed at, but that one was twice as much, and it's on campus, which is cool and all, but for twice the price, I don't know about it. We also, I mean, we still get our own balcony, king size bed. Honestly, I can't complain for the price because this one was like $250 for both nights versus that one's $250 per night, so I'm not doing it. So we just checked out of the Best Western, and now we are headed to the Porsche Experience Center. So we just checked into the Kimpton Overland Hotel right across the street on the campus of the Porsche Experience Center. We were staying at the other hotel, and honestly nothing was too wrong with it. We just really wanted to be over here, and now that I'm here, I'm so happy because this is so much nicer. I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour. They've got this really cool RS 911 like picture there or whatever. Much nicer bathroom, much nicer bedroom, and then they give us like an espresso as well. And then there's some like Porsche things here and there too. So they give you like a Porsche magazine, which I'll probably read later. A picture of an old Porsche here. I can't tell which one though. And then the coolest part is that our like headboard here has like these Porsche wheels engraved into the headboard. And I think that's so cool. But obviously the best part is the view that we have.
I think we're moving too fast. I think we're moving too fast. But I want to fall right into.
Oh, it's like the through time. Where's the 944? There's the 924, which means 924 Turbo, 924 Carrera GT, and then they did the Le Mans cars, and then the 924 GTP, which is really close to the 944. And then are you serious? Do you not see it? 944 has 2. That one always gets the love. Yeah, but there's no 944 NA. So they've got a bunch of these like seats here in different designs and stuff. Did you know that? Go for it. So the really cool thing is these, I believe, I've heard these are like old dealership seats or something. I see them for sale on Facebook all the time. And then out here we got like the huge campus. So we'll be on the track over there later today. So there's the track that we're gonna be at. I think that's the south track. I think that's the west track. We're gonna be doing the west track. I heard it's better, but. And then the Carrera Cafe. This place is nice. They got a bunch of stuff here.
I put you in my mind and hold you there all the time.
That looks so good.
What is on that? What is that, cheese?
It looks like cotija cheese. Maybe? Big bite. We just did the racing simulator. I filmed a little bit of it, but now we're headed to the classic restoration facility to meet over there, get a tour. This is already a ton of fun. We're having some fun. We were not really good, as you can see from the footage. We were not really good at the simulator. We kind of suck, but it is what it is. I also chose a car that is way too fast on a track that is way too small. I didn't film it, but I chose a 918 Spider on VIR, which doesn't mix. The guy even warned me that didn't listen. We just left the Porsche Classic, which is right there. We had a private tour, so I couldn't film anything. Everything's super underground. We are now just sitting by the track here watching the cars go by, which we will be doing here in a little bit. But yeah, it was super nice. It's really sunny out, Val, though, and I am just burning up. Yeah, here comes the car. I'm looking to see if I want to buy anything. That's not a kid's cup, that's my cup right there. Now they got the pink piggy, the houndstooth. I know, I've always wanted one of those. Oh, they got the vintage sign too. They got the model cars. They got so much stuff in this shop here. Oh yeah. Looking to see if I should buy anything in here. In case you've ever wondered what heaven on earth looks like, that's it. I told her I told her I picked the more aggressive track, which is the west track. The south track isn't as aggressive from what I heard online. So I picked the west one, of course. She was like, why would you pick that one? I was like, it's more fun. Bella didn't know when he said Stillwater that he was bringing this. Ashton Hall, $20 water. You tried to split it right down the middle perfectly and you failed like really bad. Just saying.
It looks down the middle to me.
Yeah. Okay. That's cool. Bella claims she's making my car. That does not look like my car at all.
Looks like it to me.
Bruh. Our food just arrived. Got the steak and the fries. And it's cool. These knives, I don't know if you can see it. They say designed by Porsche on them. They're really cool, but we're going to enjoy, eat up, and we'll see you guys out. Bella and I are taking a gamble at how much the meal costs. Oh. The water was free. It was only 106 bucks. It's actually not bad. So we just left lunch, and now the only thing we're doing pretty much is just exploring the entire place because there's so much to do here. Oh, this is cool. Watch, when you're underneath of it, it makes the 918 Spider. That's so cool. Okay, if you were to pick any color on this wall, and you pick, like, let's say a 911, which color are you picking?
I gotta look it up all.
I know exactly which one I'm picking, and I don't see it up here. It'd be viola purple, and I don't think it's up here. I think it might be this one. I don't think. Viola purple metallic. It's one of these colors. It is the best color, and I've wanted to do it on the 944 for a while, but I don't think it would look that good on that car. Okay. It doesn't actually show up on camera really well, but like a picture like the Sally blue. I don't think these come off, do they? They do. Oh wait.
Tells you the color.
Yes. So now I can figure out. I'm just pretty goofy.
I like this one too.
Yes. Viola purple metallic right here. If I was to get a 911, I'd get it in this color. What do you think? But now that I'm seeing it, I think this might be the color. What do you think? So everybody told us to, like, when we come here, go to this parking garage because they're like, oh, it's the craziest cars you'll ever see and all that. That's like the first car we saw when we got out here, the 986 Spider, and I don't even see them like anywhere. And there's one sitting right there, and it's like really gorgeous sapphire blue metallic or whatever it is. I don't know, but that car is gorgeous. Bella really likes this frost blue metallic Taycan right here. I do like this. And then you got the Ruby Star, which is arguably one of the best Porsche colors they've ever released. Like, look at this. There's 1, 2 Spider RSs, 3 GT4 RSs. This is insane. And then behind me, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 GT3s. I'm gonna count how many Turbo S's there are too. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Turbo S's, and I think one just started. All lined up in a row right here, besides the Renault Twizy looking thing. And then we've got the GT3 RS. mint green Boxster spiders. I almost forgot the name of them. Those are really cool looking. I was told most of the stuff to see is that it's on level, but we were on the bottom too. Yeah, we just got up here and the very first car you see is a 963. And then I think this is Sally right here. And then we've got the Carrera GT. Bella and I have gotten really tired from the whole day, so we're headed back to the hotel. We're sitting here playing a game because I have the FlightAware app. So as planes come in and like, you know, land or whatever, we're seeing if we can guess where they're from. And you know, when you click on them, it'll then say which airport it came from and all that. So Bella got that one right. We're trying to see like,
Okay, here's one.
get the next one. Southwest.
It's from Tampa.
It's from Columbus.
Oh.
That's close to home. Bella here found, as we were walking on the sidewalk, they've got a 944 Turbo in the back of the Classic Center. Can't really see it, but that's the first 944 we've seen on this trip. Found this Chick-fil-A here called the Dwarf House, and there's only like 5 in all of Georgia, but it's like a sit-down Chick-fil-A, so this would be cool. A burger at Chick-fil-A with waffles and chicken. This is awesome. We just got back to the hotel and we're so tired. We're ready to just hit the bed and go to sleep. But we're checking out in the morning. There's not much to do left, so this isn't the end of the vlog, but this is the end of our day, I guess. And literally all we have to do tomorrow is get up, go to breakfast, and go on a plane. So Bella and I are just eating breakfast real quick before we head home because we're getting on the flights today. This place is so busy. And just like that, I'm back home and I had a super fun trip. I'm forever grateful for those who invited me down, and I'm forever grateful to have such a fun opportunity and share it with my girlfriend. It really was the most fun I've ever had. From seeing all the Porsches and eating all the fun food and, you know, doing all the fun stuff, it really was just an absolute blast. So if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you watching it all the way through. The vlog style was a little different, but I hope I got to show you guys exactly what it's like for me to go on a trip and see like a little bit more of a laid back video style. But that's all I have here for you guys today. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like down below, share this with your friends, and go ahead and click subscribe because there's gonna be plenty more videos where this came from. But again, thank you guys for watching, drive safe, and I love you guys.